Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Home Gardening 480. Today we are going to be transplanting lettuce and broccoli. So why we ended up with so many in this tray, I'm going to let Sonia give us the rundown on this.
Okay, so we had started one of these trays, which is 16 cells, with lettuce and broccoli, and then we decided to separate them out to one plant each, maybe 3 weeks ago. About 3 weeks ago, to separate out, the plants and to see if we can get some more growing. So we put them under the grow light. Some of them were pretty small and weak. Other ones did really well. This lettuce is already quite big. So it is February 18th today. We're going to put these in this raised bed right here in this open spot. They will probably be here for another month. So we're going to see what they can do in a month. If they can grow up big in a month, great. If they can't, we're going to pull them out and plant something else after them. So the variety of broccoli we have here is Sun King, and we have some romaine lettuce and Bibb lettuce. You can see it's kind of got a little rosy red on it. So we're going to do that, and we're going to just pack them all in this empty space next to the carrots, and that's what we're going to do.
Because we have a lot of broccoli and a lot of lettuce, we have decided that we are going to only transplant the big ones. Plants. Okay, so we are done. They look really good. We were talking about how beautiful,
How big the roots are.
They look, and the roots, they're big, and also the leaves themselves look very healthy, as if they come from the nursery. Now that we have transplanted them, they do not have any blemish.
They've been inside.
They've been inside, of course, with the grow light. So we are pleased to see these plants doing so well with the grow light, and they're looking strong and healthy. So we are going to throw in the compost, the rest of them there. We didn't have enough room. We just selected the bigger ones, and then we're going to move on to the next project. So what I ended up doing here for the next project was to plant this fig tree that we got from the Tractor Supply, a local nursery here. So I still have to run the lines from there, dig down and bury them, so I could do that. But the water lines, the main water line, it's right here, that I was going to just clean right here, as you can see there, and then just plug it in, and then just bury it down, and then push it down through here, through the bottom of that, and then take it all the way to the tree. However, that's what I was going to do. That would be the easiest and the less complicated way of doing it. But Sonia said no, she doesn't want it to look like this one. She does not like the way this one was done. I just poke a hole to the top of it. So she wants this to be buried. So I have to lift the main line and then shoot it from the bottom and then take it out. But I'm gonna have to do that, she said, until we pull some of the peas out when we harvest them, so I could do it what she says right, and then through the bottom. And then I have only 9 little bricks to go around this, and so I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and get some more to mirror the rest of them here. There's another tree that's gonna go right here in this spot in the front of this bed. It might be a blackberry bush in here, but anyway, that's what we have for you for today. Thank you all, guys, and we shall see you guys on our next video.